Hello, a warm welcome to all watching this video. My name is Tejas Shinde, a second year student at Symbiosis School of Culinary Arts. Today, the recipe which I am going to present is Shengole, a traditional one-pot meal which hails from the state of Maharashtra from the region of Marathwada. To describe the recipe, it is a fresh hand-rolled pasta dish which is cooked in a broth. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So now let's look at the required ingredients which are as follows. Let's start by making the garlic, green chili and coriander paste. In a mortar and pestle, add about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 large medium spicy green chilies, handful of fresh coriander leaves and a pinch of salt so as to ground this nicely. Pound it to make it in a coarse paste just like this. To make the dough for shengole, in a large bowl, add jowar flour, whole wheat flour and chickpea flour. Then add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the prepared green chili, garlic and coriander paste, and add water little at a time to make a very soft dough. Now, to make shengole, we take a small piece of the dough made, roll it to make it into a cylinder shape and then take out the excess dough and join the two ends to form a teardrop shaped shengole. Make all the shengole similarly, leaving a small piece of dough aside. To make the broth or the sauce, we heat up a kadai or a pot, add peanut oil to it. Then we add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Once they crackle up, add 6 to 7 curry leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder and a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, and immediately add 2 cups of water so as to not burn the tadka. Once the water comes to a boil, start adding the shengole to it one by one without laying one on the top of the other, then close the lid. Meanwhile, also take the remaining piece of dough and add some water to it so as to thicken the gravy later. Cook the shengole in the boiling water for about 6 to 7 minutes with the lid on until they are cooked through. Once they are cooked, add the dough and the water mixture to the boiling water to thicken the sauce or the gravy by stirring continuously so as to not form any lumps. Once done, cover it and cook for more 4 to 5 minutes. Now, finish it with some fresh chopped coriander and serve it immediately piping hot. As people these days are consuming more of refined flour rather than multigrain or different varieties of flour, and also because this was a dish from the working labor class community, it has lost its presence in today's world. But I hope this recipe tempts you enough to at least try it once.